our first on stage presentation right now. And it's a pleasure for me to tell you something about the cooperation of BST and INOMETA, well-known for rotor manufacturing.
Yes, and thank you, everyone. Appreciate the opportunity to be here representing INOMETA. My name is Bill Stahl. I've been with INOMETA for about 5 years now. I'm the Director of Sales for the Americas, and a variety of areas in our business that I manage in those areas, so film, paper, new energy, pretty much all the core areas in which we work with our mobile products.
And here I'm Ingo Ellerbrock. I'm the product manager for web guiding systems. Go for them.
It's magic. We can fix it.
Magic, yeah. Product manager for a web guiding system, working for BST right now for nearly 25 years. And I started the cooperation with INOMETA, I think, from the beginning. So we were our events. So INOMETA and BST, high quality rollers for guiding. Normally the slide should have the naming high quality rollers, not only for guiding. So we use these high quality rollers also for other applications. But we started in the beginning using INOMETA on our web guiding systems. When I started working for BST nearly 25 years ago, there was still some kind of a cooperation with INOMETA. We were supplying on the rollers, and we had some discussions, and we had more discussions, and after a long time of period, we thought, well, let's combine our competences and we do something more, something great. And it's how it began, I think.
Yes, and again, from our side, that cooperation, we've appreciated for years. It made it very natural to kind of transition from, okay, just a customer to provider, and now becoming a partner so that you have something to offer that's going to complement what you're doing. And that was the vision from our side as well. That's what our goal was, and we see it working well already.
Yes, and it's why are working BST and BST together? The question also could be, why not? So, rollers, web guiding system, and our quality inspection system, video systems, they need also rollers, and why not combining our competencies?
And I'll add to that the one interesting thing is that yourselves, you're a high-end products, and that you're using for your customers are producing high-end products. And that's kind of where our focus too is. We're at a higher level, and we're trying to do what we can to assist to improve, whether it be the actual quality of the material or to assess what the inspection.
Yeah, talking about that. What? Exactly. Combining competences for web guiding. This is what we are doing. Especially on the web guide. Sometimes you need special coding, sometimes you need special starting weights, some special whatever. And so why not putting in our six? That's kind of the play.
Exactly. And what you're experiencing is what we've seen over the years and with the challenges. So again, the idea is to keep this as short as possible. The connections, the projects can be worked on more efficiently, much quicker. And it also gives us, being so close to you, Bielefeld, Herford, it's very easy for communication and be able to work, even with individuals' location as well.
Exactly. So yes, we have together years of experience. I think it's together decades of experience. Exactly. And I think this is the reason behind that. And this is what we already mentioned. That when we started also selling our products to an example for the memory industry, we found out that INOMETA has learned some things in the steel industry, and we also. So now we are able to put it together and to give our customers the best deal. Yes, what has changed? Flexibility in production process, architect solutions can be specialized, optimize the tool for customers. So more or less, it's something about connecting data. What we are doing with our systems, we have our smart data collection, we have the asset management unit of the booth. So we are collecting data with our systems. Those you are collecting data with your roles.
Yeah, so again, with that question, going further, what's changed in the last 10 years? Well, yeah, if you've been in the industry for the last 10 years, many things have changed. You've had to adapt to whatever the requirements were for your customers like we have. Now, with the advancement of hardware for both of us, what's the next thing? It's the data. And what we highlighted and released at our booth this year is our INOID. Our INOID is a RFID system and our QR code system. We have an actual app that's able to go and read our products. If you come to our booth, we could show you how that works. But the idea is that we're collecting parameters that perhaps a customer's looking to control and watch. When was the item produced? How long has it been in circulation in the plant? If there's a problem with the product over time, it has all the inspection reports from manufacturing. It could be anything that you want, and like yourselves. And data obviously is what's driving productivity and higher quality and higher margin today.
Yes, we are doing the same using our smart data and also our new asset management. Unfortunately, I don't have that, but it looks a bit like that. But we have a very, very big screen over there where the BST kind of stuff can show you what we can do by collecting the data, and also to give you a benefit about that.
Great. So this thought here, many people have asked this, okay, well, what makes INOMETA different than other roller manufacturers? Most people kind of look at roller as just a tube, journal, some bearings, what's the big deal? Well, it's not until you discover that there's a challenge that it is a big deal. If you think about something with your web guide system, if that roller isn't free spinning and isn't stiff to handle the load, and you can't calculate and figure that out, the customer's going to think there's something wrong perhaps with the actual product and it's what this is designed to do. Yeah. So INOMETA for over 40 years has been a leader in manufacturing rollers. And we take the approach of being able to look at the specific application to be able to calculate and means the different parameters that we collect. And we're able to design something that's going to make your product perform the way it's supposed to do this on. So with that years of experience, we're still leading today. It's not just roller building aspects from the structure, but the surface that we put on it. You mentioned battery. We have the sensitive films that are used, whether it's in making the film or coating the film. There's too many steps. If there's a problem to waste the material, and being able to design, to apply, to deliver a surface that's going to withstand the door over the period of time, and also is going to be able to help the machines to perform at their highest levels.
Exactly. I just want to add something that's running in that way. I think it's a pleasure for INOMETA rollers to work in our web guide, and for our web guide, it's a pleasure to use the INOMETA roller. Okay?
Perfect. Well said.
Let call color.
So again, when we look at our experience and a lot of course, when you're working with prior to perhaps new energy and battery has been in the print industry. And that's where we got our start. Our founder was actually producing rollers for another manufacturer and decided to start on his own because he recognized that individuals, the customers, had challenges. And the first and foremost aspect of that was to create a roller that was very lightweight, that could spin very free, and this is well beyond before materials got thinner and thinner. So our experience that we've had and built on over the last 40 years allowed us to be able to be at the point now where we can be a very effective partner for BST. And if you go back and look at our history from the time of the early 80s, we started manufacturing rollers, early 90s, where we're making carbon fiber rolls and developing our own coatings. It's not something that we just started in. We can apply all this experience to and given some websites that
I searching what this.
Yes, of course. We are connected in order processing, but this is I think some kind of standard. Most companies are not far away. It's just a 10 minutes ride there car, so really say to have all the other way around. And our target is to find the best solution for our customers. And that's where it comes to an attack as well.
exactly. And we've, as was mentioned, that we mentioned earlier, that this collaboration has been going on for a while. So now all the behind the scenes items that are required to make this function properly. So when you're in the field talking to your customers, we're going to be able to both respond together in a very quick fashion. So that's kind of the beauty of the whole arrangement of where we are right now. Process.
Honestly. I think this is all set. I think there's nothing more to add except if you have any questions, if you have any whatever remarks, we are here. Bill is here for the next hour to answer your question. I'm here for the entire day. And if you're not here, you'll have a note here on the show. It's Hall 50.
Call 15, F0 on. It's right in the corner, right as you enter into the building. So, yes. Thank you very much, folks. Thanks for having us. And we look forward to further working together.
Yes, thank you very much.